Hi, hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss about air compressor. Atlas Copco manufacturer air compressor. Atlas Copco is Sweden company which manufactures pneumatic equipment, globally recognized company. In these products we will see the technical parameters. XAHS350 air compressor, working pressure 12 bars. Free air delivery 360 cfm 10m. Cummins engine fitted screw type compressor. Diesel engine driven compressor. Average price in INR is 18.9 lakhs. Top air compressor companies globally. Here are some of the major, top-rated or most influential air compressor manufacturers around the world. Atlas Copco, Sweden, one of the largest industrial air compressor manufacturers globally. Ingersoll Rand, USA, very strong in a variety of compressors and industrial air systems. Key service details for XAHS compressors. Use of service packs. Atlas Copco provides service packs, kits containing genuine parts, gaskets, O-rings, washers, filters needed for scheduled maintenance. When doing maintenance, any disconnected packing. Packs are tailored for different intervals, e.g., 50H, 500H, 1000H. Maintenance schedule. Maintenance intervals depend on hours run and sometimes on calendar time. Here's a breakdown, varies somewhat by model. Every ~250, 500 hours. Change, replace critical fluids and filters, engine oil, compressor oil, oil filters. Inspect, adjust drive belts, fan belt, if relevant. Clean coolers, oil cooler packages. Check torque on bolts, inspections for leaks, check the safety valves. Every ~1000 hours, or annual, depending on which comes first, replace oil separator element. More in-depth system checks, emergency stop switches, flexible hoses, valve clearances, etc. Inspect and test safety valve.